You're listening to the Journal Party podcast, where every week we get together for the ultimate journal jam sesh as we journal through life together as a community. My name's Alex Gallner, and I'll be your host, so here's how it works. I'll give you a journal prompt and a groove, and you just start writing. After a few minutes, you'll hear a little bell that sounds like this, and we'll move on to the next prompt. After a couple minutes, you'll hear that bell again, and we'll move on to the next prompt, and we'll just keep going on like that till we're finished. Feel free to write on whatever you like, or even just follow along in your car. If you finish before the bell, you can try to dig deeper and elaborate, or just chill out and enjoy the tunes. Don't overthink it. There's no wrong way to do this, so welcome to the party. Journal Party. What's up, party people? Okay, real talk. I was so hyped about Thanksgiving last week that I jumped the gun a little bit early. Not all of us were ready to do a Thanksgiving journaling last week. That's okay, right? It's always good to be thankful. But hey, if gratitude gets 2 weeks to shine, I'm calling that a win, all right? So, Thanksgiving's actually this week. I kind of thought it was last week, not gonna lie. Recorded the episode, then wasn't gonna not release it. But, yeah, Thanksgiving's this week. And that means that we all have even more time to lean into what this holiday is all about. So, whether you're prepping a big feast, heading to someone else's table, or just taking it easy, today's episode is all about grounding ourselves in gratitude and giving ourselves permission to celebrate the season however it feels right for you. That's right, folks. We're jamming through 5 fresh journal prompts to help you feel more present, thankful, and in tune with the magic of Thanksgiving. So, open up that journal and let's get into it. I promise these will be different than last week. Here comes prompt number 1. What is one thing you're thankful for about this specific moment in your life? Look around. What's something in your current season or circumstances that fills you with gratitude? Prompt number 2. How can you give yourself grace this week? Thanksgiving can be busy and even a little stressful, so what's one way to take care of you? Prompt number 3. Think about a tradition, old or new, that brings you joy. Write about what makes it special and how you can embrace it fully this year. Prompt number 4. What's a simple way you can express gratitude to someone this Thanksgiving? Maybe it's a heartfelt thank you, a small gift, or just being fully present with them. Prompt number 5. What does gratitude feel like in your body? Close your eyes and reflect. Where do you feel it? How does it show up physically when you're thankful? right, party people, that's a wrap on this Thanksgiving week gratitude session. Remember, this time of year isn't about being perfect, it's about being present. Whether your plans are big or small, or somewhere in between, take a moment to really feel your gratitude and share it in ways that are meaningful to you. If you're loving these prompts, check out our app for even more guided journaling fun with mood and energy trackers and a community that'll keep you inspired all year long. And don't forget to connect with me on Instagram at JournalPartyOMG or my personal handle at Alex Gellner. I'd love to hear how your journaling journey is going, so send me a DM and, as always, leave a review if you're digging the show. It really helps us out. Oh, and one last reminder to join us every Wednesday night, including this one. I know it's going to be the night before Thanksgiving, but, if you're around, bring the fam. Why not have some family journaling fun? I don't know. Introduce them. It's fun. This Wednesday night, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Journal Party Live. It's a free live stream where we journal, share, and connect as a community. So tune in through our YouTube channel, our private Facebook group, or even directly through our app. The links for all of those are in the show notes, so don't fret. And it's always a vibe, so I'd love to see you there, you and yours. And thank you so much for journaling with me today. Let's make this Thanksgiving one to remember. Simple, joyful, and full of heart. And as always,